Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
As a part of this gearing up for monsoon, Konkan Railway has already cleared all the side drains along the track, and inspection of the cuttings, specifically vulnerable cuttings, have been done by our engineering officials. So this year also we are deputing almost around 846 personnel for watching the tracks. They are provided with mobiles as well as high frequency walkie-talkie sets. And then we have this accident relief train, which is only one accident relief train at Varna, and two accident relief medical vans. We call them ARME. Those are self-propelled vehicles, just like GMU, which are equipped with operation theatre and all other required equipments. We have kept one poclain ready mounted on the BRL, so that in case of any landslide or anything, this poclain can be moved in emergency. Since we have carried out a lot of geo-safety works in last 7-8 years, recently you might have seen these landslide cases have reduced a lot. Passengers are also requested to contact the station for changing timings of the trains during this monsoon timetable.